HydroFLOW technology brings you the ultimate in-home limescale protection. Our unique Pearl unit will fit on pipes up to 24mm of any material. To install the unit, you will need to secure the foot of the unit using the tie wraps and insert the PC jack off the PSU to the bottom of the unit. Then securely clip the main body onto the foot. It protects against limescale without changing the chemistry of the water by transmitting an electric field into the pipe. The field manipulates scale-forming ions inside the water, forcing them to form fine crystals in suspension rather than problematic scale on pipes and boilers. In addition to preventing new limescale, it also removes existing limescale, clearing pipes and improving system efficiency, equipment lifespan and reducing costs. On average, it only uses £1 of electricity per year. The Pearl transmits the signal everywhere in the house, including household appliances as well as types of boilers, cylinders and heaters. Around 1 million domestic and commercial customers enjoy the protection worldwide, making it a favourite sustainable solution for limescale protection. The Pearl, protecting the heart of your home.